Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to notify members on Trello when a task is completed. So first thing, just simply go to one of your board, and now from here guys, as you can see, in order for you to add a notification on a specific list, you could just simply select these three dots over here guys. And now after that, you should be able to see here watch. So just simply select this one, and when there is any activity on this list, for example we add this one over here, it will be notified to all the board members. So any activity in this list will get you notified. And if you want to watch a specific card, you can just simply select a specific card, and you should be able to have a watch icon over here as well. And every time this is moved or something, it will get notified to all the members. And now after that, if you want to go further, you can just simply select notifications over here on the top right, and you should be able to see here all of the notification that you have. And if you select the three dots over here, you will have an option over here on more details on your notification. And there you go. See ya.